Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Marie, a certified public accountant and a small business owner, sharing my journey through vlogs, travels, family adventures, piano exploration, and the exciting world of K-dramas. Whether you're here as family and friends, a piano beginner, a skincare enthusiast, traveler, aspiring entrepreneur, or K-drama fanatic, you've found a community built just for you. Here at my channel, Marie Grace Nino, I blend my professional insights with personal passions to offer a unique perspective, from practical business tips and financial strategies to piano tutorials, travel experiences, and K-drama reviews. My goal is to entertain, educate, and inspire you. Whether you are seeking entertainment, educational content, product recommendations, or a dose of inspiration for your own journey towards financial freedom and personal fulfillment, you'll find it all here. If you're ready to explore with me, hit that subscribe button and join our diverse community. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on my latest adventures and insights. Let's embark on this multifaceted journey together. Today, I am super excited because we're unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy 4. Galaxy Watch 4. As we open the box, we can see Samsung's sleek packaging design. It's compact and it feels premium right from the start. Okay. Wow! It's pretty! It's so pretty. Yes. Oh, what's this? There is it. This is the charger. Samsung wireless charger. And of course, there is the manual, warranty card. Normally, it's 1 year. So there guys, I have unboxed the Galaxy Watch 4 Bluetooth 40mm watch. Now let me tell you the features according to Samsung for the Galaxy Watch 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the watch that knows you best.
The product is free of defects
Most of
in
us want to know
material,
more
design,
about
and workmanship
ourselves,
for the
so we
period
can
of
be the best
12
version
months
of ourselves.
from the original date receipt of product.
That is why Samsung
6 months for
engineered the
accessories
all-new
and the
Galaxy
applicable
Watch 4
national
to be the companion to your journey towards a
less
healthier you.
stipulate otherwise. Okay.
Don't just listen to your body,
Go
know it.
guide.
Track your fitness progress with the first smartwatch that conveniently measures body composition. Get to know your body fat percentage, skeletal muscle, body water, and more to achieve your goals. The Samsung Bioactive Sensor is the fastest chip that brings the biggest innovation to Samsung Galaxy Watch.
Okay.
The new Samsung Bioactive sensor captures your body composition in real time to inform you as you manage your health goals. This feature is what I love the most about Samsung Galaxy Watch. Samsung has group challenges with friends. Enjoy every step you take with your friends and family with the Galaxy Watch 4. Track your steps and compete with friends in a fun competition through live message board. Challenges come with a commemorative badges and a point system to make exercise fun, motivating, and socially rewarding. Track your activities and fitness scores on your watch and phone. Count steps, check calories, and stay on the grind with GPS. Galaxy Watch 4 detects physical activity to track your routines and supports more than 90 exercises for a more accurate report of your workouts. I also love the sleep tracker feature. The sleep tracker detects and holistically analyzes your sleep stages while you rest. Improved measuring options let you check your blood oxygen levels and snoring patterns. Plus, get advanced insights from the National Sleep Foundation for better sleep quality and duration. I also love the sleek, seamless, and iconic design. Galaxy Watch 4 features a simple design with a streamlined armor aluminum metal frame. It offers high-end looks and functionality for your workouts and day-to-day tasks. The watch also puts seamless access to your favorite apps on your wrist. You'll get a rich app selection from music streaming apps to anything in the massive library of health and fitness apps. My initial impressions are really positive. The watch feels comfortable on my wrist, and navigating through the menus is smooth. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has a beautiful, sleek design, impressive display, and advanced health tracking features. So, if you're into fitness or just looking for a stylish smartwatch, this could be a great choice. Thanks for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you next time!
Now let's connect it to my phone. Ay, low bat.